How to change location on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And from the given menu list, click on Settings. And here from the account information section, click on personal information, and you will land on this page that has all of your informations, including the country/region. So click on it, and here you will be able to change your location to whatever place you want. Say for example, I will choose this one right here, and once you click on it, your location will be updated and changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your country/region in the TikTok app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.